Hello everyone, we are going to talk about engineer as detective, also as scientist working at fab. Issues always happen around, and the engineers, especially equipment engineer and process engineer, they have the basic responsibility for the issues happening around. They solve the problem, and the problem issue happen around, including at fab, the wafer issue. The wafers itself have issues, and the equipment issue. Equipment most important and the most amount issue with equipment, cause the equipment not as a car, just simple. Equipment is a complex electrical machine, and engineers cost lots of time with it. And also we have the process issue, especially a new product process. This process issue that no experience with it is very difficult, especially a new production and a new fab establishing condition, and the human operating issue. Many fab using human labor to do the operating job. Nowadays, even the Intel TSMC also use human to operate the machine. So, the human operating issue is also important to solve. Time issue. There are so many strange, abnormal issues following with time. For example, 2 years equipment has its problem, and 8 years equipment and parts also have another problems. So time issue provide more and more new issue with the same equipment, and material issue, including the wafer itself issue and the parts issue, parts of the equipment issue, and also have the chemical supply and the gas supply issue. They are all at fab the edge, and facility area edge, just like the gas supply edge, chemical liquid supply edge, and the electrical power edge, and exhaust purge edge, and the water supply edge. The gas supply edge, especially the quality of the gas, and liquid chemical supply edge also means like the quality edge, and the water supply edge also means the quality edge. And in some area there is not so much water to get to supply, so the lack of water is a big issue. And electric power issue, some area don't have enough electrical power to supply the fab, is an issue. And the quality also important. And exhaust and purge issue, a steady exhaust and the purge, steady pressure is a big issue also. And even the atmosphere issue, including the atmosphere, temperature, pressure, and the atmosphere gas component also can affect. For example, the temperature summer too hot and let the air condition function not enough for steady control, or too cold, also for not enough for heating system to control. And the pressure, especially the pressure, we cannot handle a very steady pressure for a fab. And gas component, for example, there is some strange gas chemical vapor to flow into the facility and supplying to the fab. The fab could be polluted by the gas chemical vapor, and the gas chemical vapor just from nearby another fab. And even the natural cause, the earthquake, typhoon, and all kinds of radiation effect. So the engineer, first of all, to solve the problem is to investigate root cause, then do experiment to verify the root cause, and after getting the root cause, edit the SOP or modify the hardware of the equipment to do the action for preventive. By the way, even the AI nowadays is more advantage even to be instead human, but a qualified engineer is very important also nowadays. Okay, let's see you next time.